Hello everyone, it's Nancy here. I have a new journal project to show you today for Polka Art Studio. I guess this is my fall project, although the kit itself is not a fall kit, but I had this cover in my stash, so I used it, and you'll see how nicely it goes with it. It's a fabric cover, and I just added this. I have this old vintage tassel trim, so I added that. It's got a Velcro closure on it so it can come off, and there's room to expand for when you fill it with other goodies. I've got just a book plate on the front. Originally I had thought I would decorate it using the collections I used, but then I decided it's kind of fun to have it this way, and then when you open up your journal it's kind of a surprise to see what's inside. I used a book plate that said Memories. It's from the Affirmation Words collection. That collection is filled with words and book plates. Some of the book plates are blank, others have words in them, and I've used an assortment of those products throughout my journal. So there we go. That's the front. Isn't that pretty? The orange just looks so pretty. The kit is filled with these soft greens with this pretty peachy and orangey shades of flowers, and it's a really pretty collection. The journal collection is the Boho Bliss junk journal kit, and then I have also used the Cute Girls collection. A lot of the girls are repeated in the journal kit, but the collection of the girls itself, they're all to be fussy cut, and they are just as sweet as can be. I recently did a blog post on the tags that I made, and then I've got them all tucked in here. So here I've used from the word collection on each tag, and then this is from the journal kit, and then there's a stacked pocket that fits on the inside of the cover. This journal has 2 signatures. Each one is 12 pages, so 24 sides altogether. So with the 2 of them, that's 48 sides. So it's a really nice size. So I'll just leaf through. I did a lot of pages blank like this across from a decorated page, because there's lots of room for writing or anything else you want to put in it. Here's a little fussy cut girl. Here I have added a tassel to a paper clip and just clipped in another one of the tags. This one is repeated here, so I thought it looked nice to just tuck it in there. Here's another one. I added 1 tea stain page to each signature. Here's a little tuck spot, a pocket with a fussy cut, and another one of the book plates. Here's another one of the tags. These girls are so cute. So I kind of matched them up. Here's the center page of this signature. I added the pocket in. I won't take all the extra bits out because most of them are filled with tea stain paper. If they have something else, I'll pull it out. Here I added a belly band, another one of the book plates that says beautiful. Here's another envelope from the kit, and this one is the tag that matches this page. She's so cute. Here's a tuck spot with a little tag in it. Here's another tassel on a paper clip, another envelope, and that's got tea stained paper in it. Another pretty page. I really like the binding look in this and how it matches up from page to page. Here's another tuck spot, another little pocket that's tucked in there with a girl in it. So pretty. See how fallish that looks? It's got a little bit of burgundy in it. It's got all the orange and the green. That was the end of the first signature, the beginning of the second. Here I put my tag in that way. Another little envelope that was tucked behind. Another tuck spot. Cherish the Moment book plate. This one has just a plain tag tucked in it. Lots of room for writing. Another tuck spot, Unforgettable. This one has a plain tag and a decorated tag. Another tuck spot here. This one has a little fussy cut girl in it. Isn't she cute? And this kind of matches that page. Here it's got touches of the turquoise, the deep teal color. I really like that. This is the middle of the second signature. So there's a fussy cut there, one added to the back. Another envelope with some tea-stained paper. Another tag added to the back, and you can tuck something behind there. I love that. Treasures, another envelope with a piece of paper in it. Lots of hidden journaling in this one. Here's a little flip out. Another one. Here's a pocket with another book plate. Another tag that matches the page. Tea-stained paper. Another tuck spot. And then here on the back cover there's another pocket with a sweet fussy cut girl and another little envelope. And that is my memories journal for Polka Art Studio. I'll have all the links below. They've got some gorgeous stuff in the shop. They have a wonderful newsletter that sends out freebies and sale notices and of course all their new releases. It's a good idea to sign up. So go take a look at their shop, and thanks for watching. Bye.